Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. DJI continues to push the boundaries of drone technology, consistently releasing new models that challenge the competition. But let's be honest, not every drone offers the fully immersive FPV experience that the DJI Avata series delivers. With its ability to capture smooth, cinematic footage in tight environments, the Avata lineup has gained popularity among both professional and hobbyist drone pilots. However, as we anticipate the DJI Avata 3, there are several key areas where DJI must improve to satisfy the growing expectations of the FPV community. Addressing stability and aerodynamics, one of the biggest concerns surrounding the Avata series is its stability during flight. While the Avata 2 is a solid drone, it still struggles with mid-air jitters and wind resistance. To make the Avata 3 the ultimate Cinewhoop drone, DJI needs to refine its aerodynamics, possibly introducing a new frame design to improve balance and reduce turbulence. An optimized design could also lower noise levels, making it a more attractive option for both casual users and professional videographers looking for quieter operations in controlled environments. Camera and sensor upgrades. The Avata 2 features a 1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K video at 60 FPS. While this is respectable, a significant leap in image quality is necessary for the Avata 3 to remain competitive. A larger 1-inch sensor would drastically enhance dynamic range, ensuring better performance in highlights and shadows. The Osmo Pocket 3, for example, has demonstrated how a 1-inch sensor improves low-light capabilities and overall image clarity. Bringing this upgrade to the Avata 3 would be a game-changer for filmmakers and content creators who rely on FPV drones for professional quality footage. Improved obstacle avoidance for safer. Flying FPV drones are primarily designed for skilled pilots who maneuver through tight spaces with precision. The Avata 2 comes with only upward and downward obstacle detection, which is useful but still limited. To make the Avata 3 more beginner-friendly and enhance safety, DJI should implement an advanced obstacle avoidance system. By integrating omnidirectional sensors, pilots could navigate with greater confidence, reducing the risk of crashes. This would open the door for more users to explore FPV drone flying without the steep learning curve associated with manual flight modes. Enhanced transmission and range-reliable video transmission is essential for FPV drones, and the Avata 3 is rumored to feature an improved communication system. Reports suggest it may incorporate DJI's latest O3 Plus or Sync 4 Plus technology, potentially extending live video transmission up to 20 kilometers. While most users won't push their drones to such distances, an extended range ensures stable connectivity, particularly in complex environments like urban landscapes, forests, or mountainous regions where signal interference is common. Battery life and flight time. One of the primary limitations of FPV drones is battery life. The Avata 2 delivers around 23 minutes of flight time, which, while decent, often feels limiting in real-world scenarios. For the Avata 3, DJI is expected to make modest but meaningful improvements, possibly extending flight time to approximately 28 minutes. While this might not sound like a groundbreaking increase, those extra minutes can be crucial when capturing cinematic shots or exploring expansive locations. Additionally, improved battery efficiency could result in faster charging times, allowing pilots to get back in the air more quickly. Potential release date and market expectations. FPV drone enthusiasts won't have to wait too long for the Avata 3. Based on DJI's past release cycles, the new model is expected to launch in April this year. While an exact release date has yet to be confirmed, many leaks suggest that DJI will announce the Avata 3 in the second week of the month. If this timeline holds, pre-orders could open shortly after, with shipping starting before the end of April. This would align with DJI's strategy of keeping its product line fresh and continuously offering improved versions of its popular drones. Additional features. We hope to see, apart from the major upgrades, there are several smaller but significant enhancements that could make the Avata 3 even more appealing. Removable prop guards. A modular design allowing users to swap out prop guards would provide more versatility, catering to both beginners who need protection and experienced pilots who prefer a sleeker build. More customizable flight modes. While the Avata series already includes various flight modes, additional settings for cinematic shooting, freestyle, FPV tricks, or even AI-assisted piloting would expand its usability. Better thermal management. Heat buildup has been an issue in some DJI drones. Improved ventilation, or a more efficient cooling system, would prevent overheating, particularly when filming in high-resolution formats for extended periods. Higher bitrate recording. Increased bitrate options for video recording would enhance image quality, particularly for professional videographers who require more post-production flexibility. Is the Avata 3 worth the upgrade? If you already own the Avata 2, you may be wondering whether upgrading to the Avata 3 will be worthwhile. The answer largely depends on how significant DJI's improvements are. If the Avata 3 delivers enhanced stability, a larger sensor, better obstacle avoidance, and extended flight time, it will undoubtedly be a strong contender in the FPV market. However, if the upgrades are incremental rather than revolutionary, existing Avata 2 users may find it harder to justify the switch. For those new to FPV drones, or looking to upgrade from an older model, the Avata 3 could be the perfect entry point into high-quality FPV cinematography. Conclusion. The DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated FPV drones of the year. With potential upgrades in stability, camera performance, obstacle avoidance, and flight time, it could set a new benchmark for cinehoop drones. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or a newcomer looking to explore immersive drone flying, the Avata 3 promises to offer an exciting experience.